Hello everybody, it's me again, ChihHan Yu, C18 level designer from Guildhall SMU. From last video, I teach you how to use Kismet to create this sliding door. In this video, I will show you how to use Kismet to create a light switch. Okay, let's go inside this room. You can see this room is really dark with no light, and there's a light switch here. I put in from the content browser. So we can use Kismet. It's really simple to use Kismet to make a light switch. So the player can use this light switch to turn on the light or turn off the light in this room. Okay, let's get started. First, I want to add light into this dark room. So I click on my content browser. I go to my actor class. Then on the light, point light toggleable. So I add a toggleable point light in my world. So I select this light, and I right click here, and then I add point light toggleable here. So right now, and I drag it here. So right now we have a light in this room. Okay, how to make this light interact with this switch? We have to add a trigger. So we right click here, add actor, add trigger, and I'll move this trigger close to this switch. Here we go. Okay, and then Kismet time. We click this icon to open our Kismet. You can see here, this is the sliding door Kismet we use for the sliding door. Now I drag it down. I'll create a new Kismet sequence for a light switch. First, we start the event. Use this trigger. So right click, new event, use trigger. This time, instead of touch, we use used, which means the player has to press E button to use this icon, to use this trigger to call action. Okay, and here in the property window, I'll maximize my window. You can see clearly. In a property window, I'll change this M to interact. I'll unclick this one, so you don't have to M to interact with this trigger. Okay, and then we'll right click here. We'll add a new action, toggle. So this will toggle thing on and off, and then we'll make a target. Our target is our light. So we select our light in this window, and then we right click here, new object variable, using the point light toggleable, and then we connect this light to here, and we connect use to toggle. So which means whenever you press E button to this trigger, it will toggle the light on and off. So we just finished the light switch. It's just really simple, right? And also, I can do the same thing. I can do a wrap command for this. So you hold Control and also hold Alt, and you can drag things like this. So you can select multiple things, and then I right click here. Here's a new command wrap. So it will wrap all my select thing, and I can give a command name here. I'll give you a name like light switch. Nice. So it's really good to organize your Kismet so other people can understand which sequence do what. So okay, I think we just finished our sequence. Let's close this window and build light and test it out. Okay, Let's go into our door. So you can see this room has lighting here, and then we can press E to turn off the light. So the room is dark right now. E again to turn off the light. Oh, so here shows a really good example. Why can I do this? Because in Kismet, I didn't change my max trigger count, so I can only trigger one times. So this time I change this to 0. Don't forget to change this to 0, so you can trigger the event infinity time. So I change this to 0. Let's test this again. So it lights up right now. Turn off the light. Turn on the light. Here we go. So this is a really simple way to use Kismet to build your light switch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.